Yogurt is a rich and creamy treat that offers your body incredible health benefits. It has been a staple in the health food culture for over 60 years, and its history dates back as far as the 11th century, where it was once known as the food of the gods. It is cultured from fresh milk or cream and contains brilliant healthy bacteria for optimal vitality. There are so many ways that yogurt can be used and flavored, some containing fruit and nuts, or giving you a low-fat dessert option in any flavor you are craving. Frozen yogurt is also a fantastic option, offering a fun way to get nutrition from a low-fat dairy snack. The very best quality yogurt originates from organic grass-fed dairy milk, which is easy to locate in multiple health food stores and supermarkets. Here are 10 incredible health benefits of yogurt. 1. Excellent for teeth and bones. A 100-gram serving of yogurt meets 11% of your daily requirement of calcium, which is important for maintaining the density and strength of your teeth and bones. It also contains magnesium, which has been proven to improve calcium absorption. 2. Improves digestive health. Many varieties of yogurt contain live and active cultures, which are probiotics that have been proven to improve digestive health. They help to maintain the balance of intestinal flora in the gut, helping to prevent diarrhea, IBS, and intestinal infections. 3. Increases immunity. The live probiotic cultures contained in many varieties of natural yogurt has been proven to boost the strength of your immune system, helping to prevent colds and flu. 4. Strengthens muscles. Yogurt is high in protein and relatively low in fat, depending on the percentage of creaminess you select. This helps to repair fatigued muscles and to build lean, strong muscle tissue for a leaner, healthier body. 5. Gives you energy. Each cup of yogurt contains about 150 calories, making it an excellent source of energy without overwhelming your body with calories. The high dose of protein and vitamins also helps to boost vitality, giving you a satisfying source of fuel. 6. Improves brain function. Yogurt is an excellent source of vitamin B12, which increases red blood cell count and promotes oxygen flow to your brain. This helps to keep your brain alert, sharp, and full of memory power, as well as boosting nerve function. 7. Reduces stress. Magnesium is a mineral that helps to calm nerves and muscle tension, and yogurt contains plenty of it. The excellent dose of B12 further helps to boost the health of your nervous system, helping to heal adrenal fatigue that is caused by prolonged stress. 8. Helps to prevent hypertension. Yogurt contains an excellent dose of potassium, a mineral that helps to regulate the amount of fluid in the body and flushes out any excess. This can help to lower blood pressure. Studies have shown that eating 2 to 3 servings of low-fat yogurt can reduce the risk of developing high blood pressure by as much as 50%. 9. Speeds up workout recovery. The perfect balance of protein and carbohydrates makes yogurt an excellent post-workout snack, helping to restore glycogen levels after a heavy workout. It also helps to repair muscles and restores vitamin and mineral levels, leaving you bouncing back for action sooner than you anticipated. 10. Great for hair and skin. Yogurt contains vitamins E, which is excellent for the health of your hair and skin. The rich source of amino acids and healthy fats help to stimulate skin cell and hair growth, giving you younger, brighter skin and longer, shinier hair. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more great videos.